This is the latest edition of Victorinox Swiss knife, the Year of the Snake 2025. It's September 2024, but they released this edition. As you can see, the box is just so nice and so thick. It's a very good packaging, and it has a wrap box. As you can see, it's 2025 Year of the Snake by Victorinox. I'm gonna show you what is available tools with this Swiss knife. See, you can see the emblem, the snake. It's a gold color. And this is the available tools that you can get from this Swiss knife. Okay, you can see. As you can see, you have the large blade. On the other side, the small blade. You have the corkscrew. You have the multi-purpose hook. And next to that, you have the reamer. This one, that's the reamer. Okay, the can opener, the scissor, and you have the wire stripper with the flat screw. So again, that is our Victorinox 2025 edition, Year of the Snake. It's a little bit heavy but compact. Yes, yeah, it's nice one, and the packaging is very nice. The box is so durable. I think
Helt siltas gjort till Elgin Axelsson. Den skiljer vill kunna sida. Sarobra bisya. So sa wimar ni tegas dam si pilit marpas si ano. Aksi. Ay alpos kan di karno ka bahaya. Bahaya. Siap. Bahkan rock dia